percent of change is the percent that a quantity changes from the original amount. My percentage of change is equal to my amount of change divided by my original amount. If you go back to a previous video, I kind of went into in-depth explanation of what's happening here and why this is working. So if you're not sure of this, make sure you go back and watch that video. But I'm going to use this idea to solve this next problem. My percent of change is equal to my amount of change divided by my original. So it says find the percent of change from 40 hours to 50 hours. So first, let me just rewrite my little formula here. So my percent of change is always going to equal my amount of change divided by my original. Because they're asking me to find the percent of change, I'm going to call this my variable. We'll call it x. Don't know what it is, but that's what I'm looking for. Now, from 40 to 50, the 40 here is my starting point. This is the original. Okay, this is the whole amount. This is what you have at the start. So for this denominator here, I'm going to put 40. My numerator, amount of change. Be very careful. A lot of students have the tendency to only work with the numbers they see in the problem. If you are going from 40 to 50, your amount of change is not 50. If the amount of change was 50, this would be going from 40 to 90. That would be increasing or changing by 50. So how much am I changing to go from 40 to 50? We'll just subtract those two numbers. 50 minus 40 is 10. So basically my amount, I'm going up by 10. My amount of change is 10. 10 divided by 40 is the same thing as 1 divided by 4, which we know is 0.25 or 25%. So for this one, this would be a 25% increase because I'm going up from 40 to 50.